Chapter 3. The Quest for Knowledge. Mia sat cross-legged on her bedroom floor, her eyes glued to the pages of The Theory of Everything. The book had become her constant companion ever since she had discovered it in her grandfather's attic, and now it was revealing a whole new world of scientific wonders. As she flipped through the chapters, Mia's mind raced with excitement. She learned about the mind-bending concepts of quantum physics, where particles could exist in multiple states at once, defying the rules of classical physics. The idea of wave-particle duality, where light and matter could behave as both particles and waves, fascinated her. Mia's fingers traced the diagrams illustrating the strange phenomenon of quantum entanglement, where two particles became inextricably linked, their properties mirroring each other regardless of the distance between them. "How can this be?" she whispered, her brow furrowed in concentration. Next, she delved into the world of electromagnetism, captivated by the invisible forces that govern the flow of electricity and the behavior of magnets. She marveled at the way these forces were responsible for everything from the northern lights to the functioning of her grandfather's old radio. As Mia continued her journey through the book, she encountered the mind-bending theory of string theory. The idea that the fundamental building blocks of the universe were not particles, but rather vibrating strings of energy, seemed both complex and elegant. She imagined these strings plucking out the symphony of the cosmos, creating the harmonies that held the universe together. Mia's eyes sparkled with wonder as she absorbed each new concept. She couldn't wait to share her newfound knowledge with someone, anyone who would listen. Suddenly, an idea struck her. "That's it!" she exclaimed, leaping to her feet. "I need to start a science club." Mia raced downstairs, finding her mother in the kitchen preparing dinner. "Mom, can I invite my friends over? I have the most amazing thing to show them." Mia's words tumbled out in a rush. Her mother smiled, nodding. "Of course, dear, I'll make some extra snacks." Mia wasted no time, dashing to the phone and dialing her best friend, Liam's number. "Liam, you'll never believe what I found," she said excitedly. "Can you come over right away? I've got to show you something." Liam, always eager to join Mia on her adventures, agreed without hesitation. Soon, the sound of the doorbell echoed through the house, and Mia ushered Liam into her room, buzzing with excitement. "Look at this," Mia exclaimed, thrusting the book into Liam's hands. "It's all about the fundamental forces of the universe: gravity, electromagnetism, and even quantum physics." Liam's eyes widened as he flipped through the pages, his fingers tracing the diagrams. "Whoa, this is incredible! I've never seen anything like this before." Mia nodded enthusiastically. "I know, and I want to start a science club so we can all learn about this stuff together. I want to do experiments and solve puzzles and figure out how the universe works." Just then, the doorbell rang again, and Mia ushered in her other friends, Olivia and Aisha. The four of them gathered around Mia's bed. The book opened between them as Mia shared her discoveries. Olivia, with her keen interest in chemistry, was fascinated by the section on electromagnetism. "Imagine being able to control the flow of electricity," she exclaimed, her mind already buzzing with ideas for experiments. Aisha, who had always been drawn to the stars, was captivated by the chapter on quantum physics. "So light can behave as both a particle and a wave? That's mind-bending," she said, her eyes shining with excitement. Liam, the budding engineer, was particularly intrigued by the concept of string theory. "If the universe is made up of vibrating strings, then maybe we could use that to understand how everything is connected," he mused, already sketching diagrams in the margins of the book. As the friends pored over the book, their enthusiasm grew, and they began to brainstorm ideas for their new science club. Mia could barely contain her excitement. Finally, she had found kindred spirits who shared her passion for exploring the mysteries of the universe. "Okay, everyone," Mia said, her voice brimming with determination. "Let's start planning our first meeting. We're going to learn everything we can about these scientific concepts and then put them to the test. Who's ready for some hands-on experiments?" The four friends exchanged excited glances, already imagining the adventures that lay ahead. With a newfound sense of purpose, they set to work, determined to unravel the secrets of the cosmos, one experiment at a time.